Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am super excited about today's video. I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing step by step with Creative Market. So a couple weeks ago, I did a video on how you could start earning passive income with Creative Market and got a lot of great responses from the video. And many of you guys requested that I do another video on the same topic, but explaining a little bit more in details how to get started, what are the different ways that you could start earning money with Creative Market, and how to promote it. So today I'm going to reveal all my tactics, everything that I do to generate anywhere from $100 to $200 extra as passive income using Creative Market. So if you want to learn how I do it, make sure that you watch all the way to the end. And guys, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to build an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to leave a comment below. So let's go ahead and dive in. So Creative Market is free to join, so you don't have to pay anything. And I'm going to leave my link in the comment section as well as below this video. So please use my link. Now, when you sign up, there's two ways that you could join their affiliate program, or two ways that you could promote, their affiliate program. You could promote it by just essentially putting it in your blog using any social media tactics, or you could also promote their partners' benefits. So I'm going to talk about the partners' resources first, and then I'll go to the second option as well. Now, you're able to, if you currently have a website or a blog, you could share any Creative Market product that's relevant to your niche using an embedded code on your website or blog. So that's kind of one way that you could do it. And I do this on my blog. You could embed a collection. So if you have, let's say, your top products that you like, you can make a collection out of them and share them on your website or blogs. That are, what I would recommend is only share things that are relevant to your audience that people will buy from you. You could invite some friends, meaning if you have an email list, you could send out an email list to people to go ahead and invite them to join Creative Market. You could embed it free goods. So Creative Market gives you 6 free goods every single month that you could download for free. So you could actually use the incentive of getting free goods and putting that in your website or in your blog. And who doesn't like free stuff? People will sign up for the free stuff and eventually they'll go ahead and buy and you'll make money from that. And I'll talk about that in a little bit. You could download banners. So if you go in here, you'll get a list of different banners for social media, for Pinterest, for Instagram, for Twitter, for your Facebook, and you could promote it through your social media marketing. What I recommend before you start promoting Creative Market is to read their partner guide. When you go here, it gives you all the details that you need to know about promoting, how to make sure that you are abiding by affiliate marketing rules, how you are being transparent, that whatever you're promoting, it is an affiliate marketing product, but they teach you everything and anything you need to know by using this partner guide. So I highly recommend reading it because it's going to tell you the ins and outs, especially because when I was first doing it, or when I first started with affiliate marketing, I was not doing it correctly. So you do not want to do it that way because then it could cause you issues later on. So make sure that you follow the rules. So these are the different ways. Now, the way that I promote it is strictly through Pinterest. I still use their banners and I will still promote it on my sidebar in my blog. But the way that I make majority of my money is just promoting it strictly in Pinterest. And what I normally do is I'll go up here. I'll find something that's relevant to my niche that I know people would want to buy. And let's say I like this product here. I'll click on it. And then what I do is I just simply share it. I don't do a pin for it. I don't create a pin for it. I probably should, but I never do. And then I just click on Pinterest and then I just share it to my Pinterest account. And then I put it on the board that goes with that particular niche. But that's how normally I do it. I just share it directly from the actual product that I'm selling, especially if I know that my niche will buy that. But that's how I promote it. I don't do ads. All I do is SEO. I pin it. I make sure that I follow the terms and conditions, which is making sure that I'm transparent by saying this is a sponsor ad. And that's all I do, big technically. Now, when people buy, let's say I promote that product and somebody buys from me, I make 10%. So on every sale, I will make 10%. Another way that you earn money is through their partner benefits. So if you spread the word, and you could earn money as well. I actually like signing up new people on the program, because what happens now is that you will earn 10% on all referred Creative Market customers that purchase for a full year. So if you recommend someone Creative Market and you say, hey, this is a great tool for you, and they're going to love it, because I absolutely love Creative Market. They sign up for Creative Market. What's going to happen now is that every single time they buy something, if you didn't make money that month, it doesn't matter. If they signed up in June 2019, you have to June 2020. Whatever they buy in the next year, you will earn 10%. So imagine if you could spread the word and get as many people as possible to join through your affiliate marketing link. That's what you want to do. That's where you'll make a lot of money, as well as spreading the word. But when you do that, like they said, you build an empire. People start, buying, or they'll start promoting other people, and you start earning money and money and money. So it's really cool how you could do this, because many affiliate marketing companies out there, once you refer someone and they buy one item, you don't get paid again. Anything they buy after that one item, you don't make no commission. But with Creative Market, you make commission a full up to a year, not up to a year, a whole year of everything that they purchase. So that's really, really nice. And if you build an empire and you just keep referring people to sign up, and they keep signing up, you're going to keep making money and money and money and so on. And so these are the two ways. I particularly like using Pinterest. That's what's giving me the best results, to be quite honest. When you are promoting, you don't have to do anything like when you share, because they automatically put your affiliate marketing URL. If you ever need the URL, it will be right here. But when you end up when you end up promoting the products, there's nothing that you have to do from your end. When you share it, it automatically includes your affiliate marketing URLs, which is really nice. And I'll show you what I made in the last 2 months to kind of give you an idea. In July, let's see how much I made. So for the month of July, I don't think it was that high. It was $83, which is pretty decent. I was on vacation for 2 weeks, so maybe that didn't help. For August, let's see. August, I made $150 with 70 cents. And then for the month of September, I made $182, which is pretty decent for being just extra money. And then for so far for the month of October, I am at, today's the 11th. Wait, what's today's day? I don't even know. The 11th. Yeah, the 11th. I'm in the wrong month. So for this month, I have made so far 53. So I'm in track of making about 150. But what I normally use is Pinterest. That's how I promote it. And as you could see, these are all my referred customers. You see how it says referred customer here. So this is someone that purchased from me. They signed up using Creative Market for the first time. And anytime that this customer buys for a full year, I get paid whatever they end up buying. So this shows you that, referring customers is to me is the best way. That's where I make majority of my money. Like 80% is to refer customers. So I highly recommend doing it that way. Also, what I recommend as a strategy is promoting what's coming up in a couple months. So for me, for the month of September, I focus on Halloween stuff. So I was promoting Halloween templates, Halloween clip art, Halloween that was still relevant to my audience that they could use for their business. But that's what I was promoting, like Halloween. And now for October, I'm going to start promoting, or I already started promoting Thanksgiving, fall, anything with fall and Thanksgiving. So always doing that, kind of keeping that in mind. You know, Thanksgiving, you might want to start promoting stuff for December, which is more like Christmas stuff. And then in Christmas, you might want to promote stuff that's more healthy stuff, maybe worksheets to track your health, anything like financial, because people want to lose weight, they want to save money. So things like that. So that's kind of my focus when I'm promoting. I do this all through Tailwind. I will leave a link below as well for Tailwind if you want to join. They actually give you, I want to say, a 30-day trial with my link. So I will leave it below. But basically with Tailwind, what I do is I automate everything. So I'll pin for a whole month ahead, and I'll be good for a whole month. But that's what I normally do. I just pin it out. I scheduled it out. I'm not pinning every single day. I'm not like spending hours doing this. I just schedule my pins on autopilot and just let it be. And every day I get a little email letting me know you just made another dollar. You just made $2. You just made 10 cents, depending on what they purchase. But I just keep getting emails saying how much I made. But that's all I do. I don't do anything special besides just repinning stuff that I know is going to be relevant for my audience and relevant for the season that I'm in, and making sure that I'm pinning all the time. That's a big one. But I do it autopilot, so that way I don't be spending so much time doing that. I spend like maybe one weekend, sit down that one Saturday, let's say, for an hour or two, and pin as many pins as I can for the next month and call it a day, and then do so the same thing the following month. That's all I do. But wanted to share with you guys my strategy. Obviously, it's not going to make you rich. It's not something that, you know, you're going to be able to quit your job. But for majority of people, including myself, especially now that I am the only working person in my home and I'm providing for my family, because my husband's not doing well with his health, and we have a dog that just went through major surgery. It's $200 a month or $150 extra every single month does help, even if it's just to pay the lights, or even if it's just to pay the gas bill or the daycare, right? For the baby, it doesn't matter. So it does help. So for majority of people, you know, in $200 extra might help you use that money to invest in your other business. Maybe you have an Etsy business, you want to spend extra money for marketing and you don't have that out of pocket. Or maybe you want to use that to put back into your business. It doesn't matter, but it does help. Guys, if you have any questions about it, or anything that I said was confusing, leave a comment below. I try my best to respond to every single comment I get. So if I don't get to it right away, I will get to it. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did. And thank you guys for watching.